Shalom. All praise is due to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem, Rachak Quadash, the honors of the elect, apostle, bishops, elders at Great Millstone, and Ruel. Shalom to elect Akyal there doing this work in sincerity and truth and not for vainglory in season out of season. Shalom to all the elect, the governing body, and the 1/3 of Israel. Okay. Shalom to you. Okay. This is Zechariah 9th chapter and the 6th verse. Let's read it. A bastard shall dwell in Ashdod, and I will cut off the pride of the Philistines. Now it says a bastard shall dwell in Ashdod. Ashdod is a coastal city in the state of Israel over there. It said a bastard. So Benjamin Netanyahu and, you know, all those so-called those Jewish people, they're Ashkenazis, okay? They're not the real Jews. That's why the prophet Zechariah said this. Through the spirit of Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai. Okay? A bastard shall dwell in Ashdod. So he's a bastard. He's not a son. Alright? Okay? He's not the chosen son of the nation of Israel. Okay? Alright? His name is Ishashua. That's his name. Okay? Wasted away is he, because he has no melanin in his skin. He's translucent. His blood shows forth through his skin. Okay? And they're over there in Israel like they're the sons of Jacob. No, the sons of Jacob are you so-called Negroes, West Indian Haitians, Hispanics, Latinos, and Native Americans. Okay? Here in the Americas and scattered through the four corners of the earth. Okay? Because Israel gonna get their land back. You know? Alright? So, you're a bastard. You Amalekites. You Khazars. You Ashkenazis. Okay, you're not Yashar Allah. Yashar Allah. Shah, Prince Allah power. He is the Prince of Yahweh. Okay? Alright? I just want to bring that out real quick. You know, and there's many other scriptures about what's going to happen to those Amalekites, which call themselves Jewish over there. Over there in the state of Israel and all over the earth. But a bastard shall dwell in Ashdod. Shalom.